This is DJI Neo 2 Fly More combo, and today I'll show how you can enable, disable, and select grid lines on this drone. So to start, you will need to launch the drone's settings, then enter the camera category. Here scroll down and look for the grid lines. If none of them are selected, that means that the grid lines are switched off, obviously, and now you can switch on or add any of them in any combination as you please. That's what all the histogram or all the grid lines look like. But once again, the combination in which you switch them on, you can choose for yourself. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.